All this happened because, to my mind, and this was a very important mistake by the Western countries who tried to undermine the Russian economy, that most of the Westerners, which I can really say, which I have heard from many of them before the war, and even after the war started, they believed that the Russian economy is a kind of a Soviet-like economy. And this is a terrible mistake for many reasons. The Russian economy is a market economy. Even you will be told that, 70% of the assets of the banking system is under the government control. It's true. That Gazprom is a state company, that Rosneft is a state-owned company, and many other, RZD, Russian Railways, is also a state-owned company. Yes, they are. But the problem is that most of the employment is in the private sector. The stability of the economy is guaranteed not so much by these huge enterprises, but the normal functioning of the mid and small size and entities. And what is very important is that even the state-owned banks are acting as they were a private institution. So they are engaged in competition between each other. And so the Russian economy is, maybe it's not owned by the private owners, but nevertheless, it functions as it were private market economy.